Hello friends, today we are going to explore 8 by 8 global cloud communication, which is all-in-one communication, and it gives one cloud solution for phone, video, chat and more. So to begin with, we need to go to Google and type 8 by 8. You can see the website www.8by8.com. Click on this and you will be taken to the dashboard of 8 by 8. On this page, they enlist about their products and services, which includes all-in-one communication, that is chat, cloud phone, contact center and video conferencing. They also provides business phone, video conferencing, where they includes meeting rooms, security and compliance, meeting apps. They also provides the facility of team chat through virtual office apps. They provide the facility of contact center, APIs, which includes SMS, chat apps, video, voice, developer resources, and call stats. They also provides business services, which includes the professional services, training and courses, support and customer service. They gives the facility of phones and accessories, and they also have an integration. They give a solution, so you can click on find a solution. It can be by business need or by industry. You can also get an advice and resources on clicking get advice and resources. They also provide the developer. So these are the developer. They also provide the facility of support, the training, and now we can start with a meeting. So click on start a meeting. It will ask me to log in. Since I have already logged into my mail ID, it has taken me directly to 8 by 8 video meetings. So this is the window which you get once your meeting gets started. You can start the video. You can start your meeting by keeping your audio, or you can start your meeting. You can start your meeting with the following options. Click on this option to start with mic on. You can also start your meeting with video on. This page displays the information about the upcoming meeting as well as the recent meetings. You can have all information about the recent meetings. This section provides the link for the meeting. You can copy the link, click on this icon to copy the link, and you can send it to the participants. If you have the meeting name and the meeting link, you can click on join meeting. So by mentioning the meeting name or a meeting link, you can join any meeting. So let me go back and start the meeting now. As soon as I start the meeting, this is the icon for you to mute, or this is the icon to mute or unmute yourself. This icon can be used to start or to stop the camera. This middle icon can be used to leave the meeting or to end the meeting. On the right side, you can see the icon which can, on the right side you can see the icon which can be used to toggle between the tile view. This icon on the right side you can see the icon which can be which can be used to toggle tile view. This icon will enable to share the link and dial in information for this meeting to the participants. These three dots can be used to perform more actions, and the action includes: we can manage video quality, we can start live stream, we can start live stream, we can also start recording, we can also start recording. So click on start recording. Here you get two options. Once the recording of the meeting is completed, it will appear in your recent meeting, or else it can be also uploaded to the Dropbox. There is a facility to share the recording with the meeting participants. So I click on start meeting. Now it is preparing for the recording of the meeting. Now the recording has started. You can also click on the same button to stop the recording. There is a setting option by means of which you can perform the setting of camera, microphone and audio output. Click on OK. There is an option to mute or unmute everyone. You can also have speaker stats. You can leave the feedback. So this is the feedback. You can write the feedback about your meeting and submit it. You can also view few shortcuts. So these are the shortcuts which can be used. And the last option is to download the app. On the left hand side, you can see the option to open and close chat. So here is the chat goes. I can write the message and here it appears. You can close the chat box. Here is the option to raise or lower your hand, and this is the icon which can be used to share your screen. So click on this. You will be able to share your entire screen or application window or Chrome tab. So select the screen and you can able to share it. So this is how the screen can be shared. If you wish to stop sharing, click on stop sharing and you are in the meeting back. On the left hand side corner, downside, there is an icon of setting by means of which you can have the settings, which includes my profile. So you can see the users or host profile. You can also have a general setting which includes the themes. So you can change the theme accordingly. You can also schedule the meeting using the calendar option. So here you can use the Google Calendar. They also provides the facility of meeting rooms. So these are the rooms. You can also have meeting admin, and here is the facility to send them the feedback. So I can write the feedback and submit it. So immediately you will get the response for your feedback. Immediately you will get a quick response for your feedback. So close the feedback. So this is how the meeting can be conducted by means of 8 by 8. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot.